Okay, so here we go again. A beautiful, fully restored Datsun 280Z. If this color looks familiar, it's because it's from a 2026 F-150 that is a Ford color. Looks great on these S30 bodies. All right, so let me explain to you exactly what we did here at California Datsun to restore this car. What's up, everybody? My name is Al Allen, and I am the owner of California Datsun. This 280 came to us just a little over 2 years ago in poor condition with a lot of rust. It's actually from Alaska, believe it or not, but we got it back to what you see here today. We did a lot of upgrades to it. Let's start off here in the front. You got the European bumper, which looks nice. Of course, our LED headlight upgrade. Customer chose some beautiful 18-inch BBS wheels. You got some Willwood brakes slowing it down back there. Nice Heritage Fair Lady Z emblem there to its older brother, the 240Z. Of course, your California Datsun classic chrome mirrors. We polish all the stainless work, so that looks sharp. Then again in the back, again with the Willwood rear disc brakes coming along the side here. Of course, the matching European bumper, new emblems, nice taillight bezels, beautiful MagnaFlow exhaust system that has been ceramic coated. That's in a 3-inch, and we'll show you here why in just a moment. So let's talk about the inside. Fully leather, two-tone, kind of in the camel and chocolate insert. Got the Z logos in the headrest, all the way down into the center console. Nice Alpine head unit. Of course, brand new dash. Nardi steering wheel. Got some speakers down there with the adjustable knob for the electric power steering. Yes, that is a thing here on these Datsuns, if you choose it. Some detail work into the door panels. Again, all leather. And when I say all leather, I mean it's headliner, shock towers. It's got this Mercedes thick carpet with the sewn bound edges. Some nice 6x9 speakers back there. All the plastic panels have been recovered in full leather. You got the stainless steel polished trim there. Another speaker down there at the bottom. This car is gorgeous. But not only does it look good, it runs really good. And why does it run really good? Well, we did a nice tasteful upgrade to a L28 ET out of an 83 280ZX turbo. Some nice upgrades to the engine as we rebuilt it. Of course, you got the turbo valve cover, all the ceramic intake manifold, ceramic J-pipe there, cold air intake. Runs really good. Car's super fast for being a stock turbo anyway. And it looks great. So if you are looking for something like this to have your 280Z restored, we'd love to hear from you here at CaliforniaDatsun.com. And we can talk about what your vision is, go over all the details of what you would like. And I'll close out by showing you a few more things on this beautiful interior here. Again, with the door panel. So yeah, man, this car is sharp. Thank you to our client from Alaska for letting us build you this beautiful 280Z. And again, if you're looking for something similar or would like to know some more information on pricing and options, my name is Al Allen, and this is California Datsun. You can look us up online or just give us a call and we can talk to you about it in person. Thanks for watching.